Two e-commerce giants, one open source powerhouse, one all-in-one platform. Which one really delivers? On the left, Magento, enterprise-grade open source e-commerce. And on the right, Shift4Shop, all-in-one, affordable and accessible e-commerce for everyone. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to what actually matters. Each category earns points, and by the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result in 2025 might just surprise you.
Here's how we're going to tackle this: pricing and value, features and scalability, design and customization, support and ease of use, SEO and marketing tools, security and reliability, and product management. Yep, we're covering every angle you need for solid decision-making. All right, let's kick off with pricing and value. First up, Magento. So, Magento is open source. That means technically you can grab it for free. No extra transaction fees lurking around to surprise you. Pretty sweet, right? But, and this is important, getting Magento live is where the bills start stacking up. Hosting, SSL, development, it adds up. Enterprise level support, that's seriously pricey. Now, hopping over to Shift4Shop. This platform's pricing is honestly kinda wild, in a good way. If you're cool with using Shift4 payments, you can actually get the whole thing for free. Hosting, SSL, support bundled in. Yep, no transaction fees. But, here's the twist. Using their free plan means you gotta stick with Shift4 payments. Not into that? You'll have to shell out for extras, especially premium add-ons. So, if value is your top priority, Shift4Shop definitely takes the cake here. Now, on to features and scalability. Starting with Magento, this thing is like the Swiss Army knife for online stores. You can run massive catalogs, do complicated B2B deals, manage multiple storefronts. The extension marketplace is just huge. But, I won't lie, it's got a steep learning curve, and you'll need solid server power to make it work. Switching to Shift4Shop, you get all the basics bundled in. Marketing, SEO, inventory, the works. There's even AI fraud protection and nice integrations with stuff like Facebook Commerce. The catch? If you want to go wild with customizations or run a giant, complex store, you might bump into some walls. So, between the two, Magento stands out for pure flexibility, especially when you're ready to scale big time. Okay, design and customization. Magento is honestly a developer's dream. Near unlimited tweaks if you've got coding chops, and there are thousands of third-party themes floating around. But here's the downside. Unless you know your way around code, you probably need to hire some help. Plus, if your theme breaks, you might need to chase third-party support. Meanwhile, Shift4Shop is all about keeping things simple. Their drag-and-drop editor lets you customize the basics, super user-friendly, and their in-house themes always play nice with the platform. The flip side is, if you want to go full-on creative mode, you might feel a little boxed in. And honestly, their editor's kinda showing its age. For creative freedom, Magento pulls ahead for sure. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Magento powers brands like Nike and Ford? Seriously. And fun fact, Shift4Shop? It was actually called 3D Cart way back in 1997. Yeah, both of these platforms have some serious history. Support and ease of use. Let's get real for a sec. Magento does have a massive online community. Think almost every problem has been posted somewhere. If you go enterprise, official support is there. But if you're just using the free version, well, you're kinda on your own. And the setup, not beginner-friendly at all. On the flip side, Shift4Shop's got 24/7 support for everyone, plus really simple onboarding. It's super approachable, even if tech isn't your thing. Quality of support can be spotty, especially when you hit more complicated issues. But overall, Shift4Shop is way more user-friendly, especially if you want to get rolling fast. Next up, SEO and marketing tools. Magento is crazy customizable here. You can dial in every SEO setting, use all sorts of plugins for marketing, but keep in mind, setup takes time and effort. With Shift4Shop, tons of tools are baked right in. SEO, cart abandonment, marketing, you name it. You can probably skip most third-party add-ons, unless you want something super niche. Some of their features cater mostly to US businesses, which may or may not matter to you. Honestly, both platforms deliver strong marketing power, but neither really knocks the other out. So you've got a tie here. Security and reliability. This one's huge. Magento can be super secure, if you know what you're doing. You have to buy and manage your own SSL, and security is only as good as your hosting. so not exactly plug and play. Shift4Shop, on the other hand, bakes in hosting and SSL for you. Fraud protection? Yep, 99.99% uptime. You can just set and forget. For peace of mind, Shift4Shop is the clear winner in this category. Product management time. Magento's built for scale, right? You can handle monster catalogs, set up tons of product attributes, really powerful stuff. The catch? Setting it all up and making changes isn't a walk in the park. Shift4Shop, unlimited products, super easy management, bulk editing, and reporting tools that make sense even if you're not a techie. Lower plans might limit a couple features, but for most, it's a smooth ride. End of the day, both are solid, so this round's a tie. Zooming out, let's take a look at how these platforms stack up across every category. You've got some areas where Magento is just in a different league, like scalability and customization, while Shift4Shop consistently delivers on value, support, and reliability. So here's my honest take. If you want to go all out, make something massively flexible, and you've got a developer or budget for one, Magento's your best bet. But for most folks, Shift4Shop gives you robust features, ease of use, and killer value, especially if you want to skip tech headaches. It's pretty ideal for launching fast and keeping costs low. Found this comparison useful? Stick around, because I'll be breaking down even more e-commerce platform choices soon. Don't miss it.